Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can unblock people on Snapchat. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, open up Snapchat app in your mobile phone. After opening up your Snapchat app, first of all, I'm going to block someone. So you just have to hold on and here you have to tap on manage friendship and tap on block and tap on block and you guys can see I have blocked Snapchat official account and now it's time to unblock. Now what you have to do is you just have to tap on the top left corner of your profile icon. Now you have to tap on top right corner of settings. Here you have to just swipe up. After swiping up, you have to find the option which is blocked users. You just have to tap on it. After tapping on it, here you guys can able to see the list of all blocked users. Now what you have to do is you just have to unblock them. So in order to get unblocked, you have to tap on the cross button. Let's suppose I'm going to unblock team Snapchat. So we just have to tap on the cross icon and tap on yes. That's all for today guys. In this way you guys can able to unblock people on Snapchat and it's pretty simple. Thank you so much guys. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.